Welcome back to Touch to Click. Today we will show you exactly how to turn off widgets on Windows 11 so you can clean up your taskbar and focus on what matters. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on your taskbar. This will open a context menu with several options, and it's the first action to access your taskbar settings. Step 2. Select taskbar settings from the menu that appears. This will open a dedicated settings window where you can manage all taskbar features and appearance. Step 3. In taskbar settings, look for the toggle switch labeled Widgets. This switch controls whether the Widgets panel is active or hidden. Step 4. Slide the Widgets toggle to the off position. Turning it off will remove the widget panel from your taskbar and stop it from appearing when you hover over it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips.